Welcome to my channel. Just got an Eero router and not sure how to set it up. In this video, I'll show you the quick and easy Eero router setup step by step so you can get your Wi-Fi running in minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. Unbox the router. Open the box and make sure you have the Eero router, power adapter, and Ethernet cable. Also make sure your modem is already connected to the internet. Step 2. Connect the router. Plug one end of the Ethernet cable into your modem and the other into the Eero router. Then connect the power adapter and turn it on. Wait until the LED light starts blinking. Step 3. Download the Eero app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the Eero app. Open it and sign in or create a new account. Step 4. Set up the router. In the app, tap Set up a new device. The app will automatically detect your Eero router and guide you through the setup. Step 5. Create your Wi-Fi. Now enter your Wi-Fi network name and password. This will be the network your devices connect to. Step 6. Finish setup. Once setup is complete, connect your devices to the new Wi-Fi network. Your Eero router is now ready to use. And that's it. Your Eero router is now set up. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. For instant help call 1-803-381-0141.